So this is just a quick tutorial to help you understand how to start a Google Meet when you have a nickname assigned to you from a teacher. So the first thing you're going to do is go to your web browser. Open up a web browser. You can go to google.com. If you're signed into Google, you'll see this little waffle over here on the far right side. If you click on the waffle, you'll click on Meet, and then you'll click Join or Start a Meeting, and you'll add the nickname provided by your teacher. You'll click continue and then you'll join the meeting. A couple of quick things to note about this. If you are not logged into your CPS Gmail account, your name may not show up in the Google Meet, and so you'll need to provide that information to your teacher so that they can take attendance. The best way to do this is through your CPS Google account, but if you don't have that, all you have to do is Google Meet. It'll come up in the search. Click this, and again, just click join and start a meeting and enter the nickname that your teacher gave you.